Check it out. So this is probably my favorite thing to edit on, to work on. It has been my laptop replacement. Every single thing that I am doing for this YouTube channel has gone through this. This is what I record with. I also realized I wasn't recording in 4K. That's my bad. New to Apple products, this is of course my iPad. Now, I'm currently recording on a Pixel 4 in 4K, so let me know how it looks. I have no idea if it's gonna work out. This is an iPad Pro, 12.9 inch with the Spec Folio case on it. And I gotta say, this is my favorite case because this is the only one I could find with this little camera protector. It is magnetic, slaps open and shut, looks real nice and smooth, and honestly, I'm so scared of scratching that. And of course, I have my Apple Pencil attached there to the top. If you wanna know some of the other accessories that I used with this, that's what we're doing today. So let's get that off and let's jump right into the Satechi aluminum M1 mouse. This is a Bluetooth mouse, charges by USB-C. I know I hyped that up a lot. My favorite thing about this mouse is that it charges from the front and it is rechargeable. I was stuck between this and the Pebble when looking for a mouse for my iPad. This is what I landed on. It's got an aluminum frame design, very nice feet on it. Yeah, boy. I am a sucker for a rechargeable Bluetooth mouse, especially one that is just simple and basic and kind of fits the aesthetic here. Even though I don't need it that much, mostly for use for productivity, any data input that I need to do, since I have been using this exclusively since my laptop broke. This is the Keychron K3 low profile mechanical keyboard. I know that's a lot. I could get in some of the details and specs. My favorite things about this are that it is running very tactile Keychron brown switches. These aren't hot swappable. If you want hot swappable, you can't have the low profile version of the keyboard. It's a 75% keyboard, which means you don't have your numpad, but you still get directionals, page up and down, home, and delete, etc. It does have configurations for both Windows and Mac. So with a switch right here, all you do, flip it over to iOS, flip it back for Windows. Runs on cable, Bluetooth, or off. Right now it's just left on cable because if it ain't plugged in, it ain't gonna be running. Uses a USB-C to charge and for data. If I flip it on to Bluetooth, just to give you an idea of what it looks like, adjustable with the tap of a button. You can hit it through this to cycle through a bunch of different options, press function, and you can toggle it off and on. I know this doesn't sound like much, but with some of my other keyboards, you actually needed to use software to change the lighting. It's got two-stage little feeties on it, legs, kickstands, whatever you want to call it. It comes with full configuration in the box for both Windows and Mac. Really nicely packaged. And here are all of my extra keys. Comes with a fantastic, good length and a nice braided USB-C cable. This is how I do everything, just like this. I use Canva for editing my thumbnails and LumaFusion for editing all my videos. And this is all I use. And realistically, most of the time when I'm actually just editing, I'm just sitting in bed with my iPad.